Briefly, I just want to come back and show you basically how you can start up your design, your website design with CorelDRAW. And now here upon this Nurture Skills website I designed recently, and this basically is the first page, which usually is the home page, and which usually when developed is called the index file. Is usually what browsers, be it Safari, be it Firefox, be it Google Chrome, all website browsers first of all looks for the index file to load before subsequent linked pages will be shown. And so here I have a basic markup or a basic design. Just as you recall, website design is both a two-way thing. Is the design phase is a process. The design phase first, then you move up to the development stage. Basically now some people use fireworks for their markups or for their design per se. Don't let anybody get you confused. Simply put, it could be a markup or just the design. The design is just the visual, the artwork that you see first before usually the client sees this first before they move up to approve it before the development stage. Usually it's at this stage that whatever modifications, whatever additions that they want to do, they do first before they move up to the development stage, which you could also use development web development softwares like Dreamweaver and some others. But I'm comfortable with Dreamweaver because Dreamweaver happens to be more professional. So okay, I feel comfortable using CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW to me, it gives me the flexibility to work around however I want to. And so basically here we have first and foremost, what you just need to do is to set up your custom page. Here I basically used you can always check up the size. You can always come here, this is the rules. You can always come back here and put your rules here, and it gives you see this is about 850 pixels wide. The depth can be any size, but this specific depth from the ruler measurement here, okay, let's get this and set it down this way, and okay, that's about the height's about 789 pixels. 789 pixels we have as the basic height of this our home page or our index page when you're referring to browsers calling them up and all that. So basically I just wanted to show you how how a markup or a design looks like before you set up. I did a blog post of my website redesign. This is the website redesign. Now I'll later on show you. I don't have that here now, but I'm still going to show you. What my website looked like when I used a CMS system from Yahoo that I mentioned in my blog post when I redesigned this site. I'm still going to show you how it looked like and how I came up to this. And so I just want to refresh your mind once again that this sections here, first and foremost, this I've done a little video on this earlier. This you have here, let's just give that a little color there to demarcate. That's your header section, and let's take this and copy paste, give it a different color. From that section there downwards to this end here is your banner, and here you have your copy. You have your copy. Your copy basically shows you your different color, and then the last section, which is the footer section, let's just give it a different color there so you can very much appreciate how it works. So I have that there, and that's the footer section. So basically from this you see the header section here. The header section basically has some people put banners, some people put sidebar, but here I just have the logo of Nurture Skills, the name, and I have a payoff saying redefine the print and electronic media. Here I have my navigation bar. Containing my navigation bar is a search bar that you can see here, and here we have my navigation having the home page, the about us page, the portfolio page, the logo page, the blog page, the contact page, and we'll push F4 there to give us a total view. Here in the banner section I just have something that says think, create, grow. Well, you could feel very free to put anything you wish there. And in the copy section we have just a brief about things that you're going to be expecting. Here you have the link here that say find out more about us. That's going to link to your about us page, and we say feed your eyes with some of our stuff. This will link to your portfolio page. The recent blog post here is going to link to your blog post page, which I later on I had a seamless WordPress that I did with. I had a template that I designed here in CorelDRAW also that I transformed into a WordPress theme that worked well seamlessly with the site. And here I have my photo section that has Nurture Skills Limited, and it has a couple of other snippets here like the Facebook, the Twitter, the YouTube, the LinkedIn, the RSS feed, and the Google Plus. And so later on all those will be added. Those ones are just those things will end up being plug-ins that one could always do with within the framework of WordPress. And also you can also create your own links. When you get your codes, you can also link up all your snippets here to a code that will link to your different. If it's not necessary that you have to have all these here, it might just be Facebook and Twitter that you have for now, but in the future I plan to be everywhere as my need to hide it. And so that's it for now, and meet me up in my other blog posts. Take care and God bless. Bye.